Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change date on your Lenovo Horizon 2. So there's a few ways you can do it, and let me show you one of the simplest. So first of all, you will need to press on the start button or either on this button right here. Now scroll down, find settings, go to time and language, from here date and time, and if you want to change date to a specific day or something like that, you will need to turn off set automatically. Now press on the change button, and from here you can change the day, month and year. After you changed it, press change and your date and date will be changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.